or ikaw?
Lahat ng bawat kong gawin para sa'yo lamang giliw. Hindi mo ba napapansin? Ikaw ang lahat sa'kin. Labis ang siyang nadarama. Katunay ngang mahal kita. Maging ang buhay kong ito, handa ko ring ilaan sa'yo. Tanging ikaw, wala nang iba, wala nang iba. Alam ko sa may
Ito naman po ang Laging Ikaw. Para to sa mga OFW na ngayon ay nakikinig. Maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat DJ Emotera at sa iyong bagong tuklas na composer. Sandali lang ha. Naayos ko lang ang ating broadcasting. Wala na naman tayo. Live na po tayo sa Barkadahan Forever FM. Sa Barkada for Life site. Doon na po tayo ngayon. Pakinggan niyo po tayo. Nakita niyo ako. Gandang gabi po. well, mamaya-maya ay tatanungin natin si Ann. Sandali lamang po, hinahanap natin ng ating wifi. Nalaloka ako dito. Pasensya na, Ann, ha? Ayan, sandali lang. Kasi nga ako, ewan ko ba, bakit ako ganito? Kung kailan ako kailangan ng sige, i-on muna natin ito. Ayan, so pwede na tayong tumawag. At tawagan na natin si Ann para sana ay oops. Okay. Bakit? Bakit? Ganon. Hindi siya pwedeng ganyan. So, tingnan natin kung yun. Miss call. Sige nga, tingnan natin. Si Ann na may miss call. Okay. Ayan ang ating mahal na Ann. Sana ay magsumagot. Bakit ayaw niyang sumagot? Tayo naman ngayon ang tumatawag. Ayun naman. Nawala na naman. Contact unavailable. Bakit? Kaloka ka, Ann. Sige. Ngayong gabi po, mamaya, ayan, malapit na mag alas 8 po ng gabi dahil, like I said kanina, meron po tayo ditong panauhin na makakasama o makakapanayam mula sa phone patch. So, of course, ayan, si Miss Mary McNamara, inaantabayan na natin, tatawag siya dito. Ngayon, ito pa po muna, isa pang, teka muna nga pala, ibigyan na natin pala sa ating mga kababayan ang ating birthday corner time. Kasi nga, pag hindi, ay nako, malaloka tayo. O siya, i-play na natin ng birthday songs. Happy birthday corner na muna ang ibigay natin sa ating mga kababayan dahil ngayong buwan ng September ay marami po tayong nagdiriwang na kani-kanila mga kaarawan, lalong-lalo na po sa ating pinakamamahal na si Kuya Joey Caransaya, Tita Telma Davis, Ate Arlene ng Churchill, Sean at saka si Jenny, tapos si Ferdinand Pasha, si Ferdy Pasha. Ayan, nandiyan na si Ann. Ayan, naririnig ko na. And sino pa ang may birthday? Si R.D. Agustin, Love Santos, Jeremy Muller, Miss Cook, Sharon Agustin, Jane Espiritu, Michelle Agustin, Agnes Pitman, Juan Sarte, Jeff Murley, Dana Crap, Tito Mars Agustin, at sino pa? Si, hello men. Andiyan ka, men. Andiyan ka, Ann. Ayan, andiyan ka. Oh. Okay. Ewan ko bakit wala ka. Anyway, Mary Jane Pisa, Ruby Tindog, at syempre, Kishaina and Moses Laguardia, and most of all sa aking pinakamahal na BFF Sisi ko, eto na si Maria Lourdes Cajano. Malu, happy 50th birthday. Happy birthday corner is brought to you by SPAG, Barkadahan Forever, and Barkada for Life. Dito sa Australia, ang mga seniors and carers in Gippsland Limited, ang 104.7 Gibson FM Filipino Radio Program. All the very best po sa inyong lahat. Good luck, good health. May God bless each one of you always. Happy birthday po.
Let's go!
Okay, magandang gabi po sa inyo. Ayan, kasama ko na si Ann at saka ito na, tumatawag na sa atin ang ating mahal na kaibigan. Hello, hang on a minute. Kaping mainit.
Bring it back.
Okay. Wow, thank you so much. And then of course, magandang gabi po. Welcome back sa atin dito sa Gibson FM 104.7. Ngayon po ay makapanayam na po natin direct from our Pond Patch. And of course, ang ating special guest sa ating linya ngayong gabi, si Miss Mary McNamara. Good evening, Mary. How are you?
Hello, Gina.
How you
I'm good,
doing?
thank you.
That's good. Oh, please do greet our listeners right now who's listening and everybody. Please.
Good evening, everybody.
Yes. Welcome to Filipino Radio program, Miss Mary. And then I believe that you are going to say something you're going to share some idea or, activity or what's happening in your group right now.
Yes.
Yes.
Would you like me to start by explaining who the group is?
Yes, please. Yes, please.
We are Seroptimus International Gippsland,
Yes.
and this is a worldwide volunteer service organisation for women who work and we improve the lives of women and girls in our local community and also throughout the world.
Yes. Wonderful. And one of those projects that you have, I believe you have many projects, and one of the the current project that you have is the lantern.
Yeah.
Yes.
The Seroptimus International Melbourne had some money that
Yes.
they gave to us,
Mhm.
designated for the fire recovery
Mm-hmm.
program.
Yes.
And it was offered to us, and we said, well, yes, we would like to do that. And so we wondered what would we do, and we decided that we would have a celebration, a party, a night where victims of the coal mine fire and the 2009 fires
Yep.
who still suffer
Yes.
from the tragedy of those events
Mhm.
can come together and celebrate their survival and all the positives that remain in life beyond the tragedy.
Yes. That's
So we
very
thought we'd
good.
have a lantern parade and festival.
Mm-hmm. Wonderful.
And the lanterns that we're building to parade around Kernot Lake
Mhm.
are really big lanterns. They're made out of cane, a peahen cane,
Mm-hmm.
and some of them are metres high and metres wide.
Wow.
And they're taking some 40 hours to build.
Wow.
And that's the kind of symbol of just how hard and how long it takes to survive
Yes.
and to overcome the tragedies of the fires. So it's a night of celebration, a night of we're trying to use the symbol of light to
Yes.
give people hope again.
Wonderful. Wonderful project. Wonderful. Very touching.
I can't hear you, Gina.
It's a very touching project that you have there.
Yep.
Yes, and it's lovely. And then, of course, every, like you saying about lantern. Now, we're going to build the lantern, and then you have a lot of people who's doing the lantern with you, or...
Yes, we do.
Yep.
Since we started talking about it to the community,
Mhm.
we've been absolutely astounded at how much response we've had.
Yep.
We have approximately 300 people building lanterns at the moment,
Wow.
and about 134 lanterns in total. Not all of them are big, like I was just describing. Some of them are medium-sized.
Yes.
There's about 9 schools in the area.
Oh.
All the schools that were affected by the coal mine fire
Yes.
are building lanterns, some big ones and some small ones. The small ones are made of paper and will be illuminated by some kind of LED lighting, which we haven't yet finished or finalised.
Yes.
And there's probably nearly 100 school children that are involved in
Wow.
building lanterns at the school level.
Mm-hmm.
And we also have other organisations. The Salvation Army are involved. Gippsland Multicultural Association are involved.
Yes.
Main Street artists are involved. The Morwell and Newborough guides. So that's Relationships Australia, Morwell Neighbourhood House.
Mm-hmm. And more.
There's a few Avaka Oranjeganyuran and the associated organisations there. So
Yes.
we've really got a broad spectrum of
Yeah, very,
community
very much
organisations
broad.
involved
Yes, very good.
in this.
Mhm.
And it is really touching because they've all picked symbols of their own organisation.
That's
and,
exactly, yes.
and they will keep these lanterns afterwards and
Mhm.
display them in their various organisations.
Yep. And so when is this festival will gonna be?
The festival's going to be on the 17th of October.
Yes, from what
For
time?
schools is the end of the second week back into term 4.
Mm-hmm.
And it'll start at 6 o'clock in the evening. And with entertainment, we have half a dozen different entertainment groups, singing and dancing groups and drumming groups who are committed to joining us.
Wow.
And there will also be approximately the same number of food stalls.
Mm.
Will be all situated around the lake. We'll be waiting for dusk and the sun to go out of the sky so that we can light up the lanterns.
Oh, that'll be beautiful.
And sing and dance and walk our way around the lake.
Oh, that's so lovely. Oh, I cannot wait to have that thing to happen. But I'm sorry I cannot help you. But I would like my Filipino community to participate in your project.
That would be lovely.
Yes, and then I know they are listening right now, and then please invite them if they are available. When is your next workshop, or where is it going to be?
Well, the workshops are tomorrow, Saturday the 20th, and Sunday the 21st. We can't start building any more lanterns now, not the big ones. We can make small lanterns.
Yes, yes.
And any group that wants to participate, that isn't participating so far, can just contact me or some other members of the group, but I can give you my number.
Yep.
Contact me and join us. They may already have their own lanterns, in which case they can just simply join us.
Yes.
We'll help them illuminate them if they haven't got the lighting inside them. And so we basically, the Seroptimists International Gippsland have raised money. We've had some very hard workers who have approached various organisations like the Shire and other organisations and raised some money. So we're paying for most of it.
Yes.
So we can supply things like
the
like
material.
LED lighting for a group if they wanted to join us, if they already had their lanterns.
Yep.
They can still make smaller lanterns. We have a number of groups that haven't yet begun to make the smaller lanterns.
Yep.
Paper lanterns and made out of all sorts of coloured
cellophane.
all that sort of stuff.
Yes,
So,
colorful
we can
light
still do that
lantern
if
with
anyone wants
lights.
to be part of that.
Yes, wonderful. So that will be tomorrow. You have a little workshop and if people wants to just have a look on what you are,
Oh, if people want to come and have a look, they'd be very welcome to come out to the Traralgon Men's Shed out at Traralgon South.
Traralgon Men's Shed.
Yeah, that's off Keith Morgan Drive in Traralgon South, about 10 minutes south of Traralgon.
Mm-hmm.
And we'll be there from midday tomorrow, 12:30 rather, till all afternoon till 5:30. And we'll be there on Sunday morning from 10 o'clock right through till about 3 o'clock. But these are the people who are building the big cane lanterns. And look, it is worth a journey. They are spectacular.
I know. I
Crazy and
can
absolutely
see.
wonderful.
I saw your project, and then like halfway done, and it's so beautiful already as it is. Unbelievable. But hopefully this project will be successful and more people to join in and celebrate with us, together with you guys and the community. We will work together as a team, and of course, let's celebrate together the spirit of the night, or the lantern night.
Spirit of survival, yes.
Yes, and we are all survivors.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, so there you go. They'll be wonderful too. Thank you, Mary, so much. Hopefully, the people from, my Filipino community is hearing what we are talking about right now. And then if ever they wish to call you, what number that we can give them?
You can call me on 0411
0411
036
036
267.
267.
Now, one thing just to add, that
Yep.
if a lot of people will just come as spectators on the night. We would encourage that. We would love to see people coming and joining us in
Yes.
spirit, if not making a lantern. On the night we will be we'll be able to provide, especially children, with small lanterns that won't take much to put together. They'll just put a bit of sticky tape on them and we'll put an LED light in them so they can join in
So
the
they can.
procession
Oh,
without having made a lantern.
so it's cute.
We would like everybody to participate.
Yes,
as much as
please.
possible.
You know, this is a celebration for all of us that who's, in the middle of this fighting, and a little celebration to at least the spirit,
Yes,
lift
a
up
little
our
drop of
spirit.
happiness.
Yes,
That's the hope.
the hope, little hope.
And the
that
other
at
thing
least.
that I would ask of the community, if they've got any links to the controller of the weather,
Mhm.
please just ensure we have a good night.
I just hope and pray. All of us have to pray for the good weather, so
Yes.
no rain, and then keep our, our lantern festival, so it will be nice and beautiful. If we have a beautiful night like this tonight, wow, it's so
Nice and
lovely.
clear.
Yes, nice and clear, and yes, that'll be the go. And then anyway, thank you so much, Mary, for at least you letting us know what is this Soroptimistic Internationalist all about. And then hopefully all of our Filipino people that is listening, if you are interested, to please visit or join them in Traralgon Men's Shed.
If they just want to come and have a look and
Yes.
see what's going on.
What's going
it's
on.
It's a very industrious time because everyone's very busy finishing or building their lanterns.
Yep.
So
But
it's
at least
it's
to
a-
give
it's
you
a workshop.
idea.
That's what
It's
we're
a-
coming together